What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new episode from Backyard Boys. This episode we're starting off a little bit different. We are currently driving to the paint shop. We are going to paint this beast. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and lightly tap that subscribe button down below. Smash that like button to show your support, and don't forget to comment your thoughts and ideas and just in general whatever you have to say about the build. A lot of you guys actually helped me out in the comment section. I want to give a humongous shout out to any of you guys that comment tips and just maybe better ways to do it, or I've actually learned a lot through the comment section. That's one of the things I really love about showing my rebuild series on YouTube. Another thing is, I know the episodes on the C63 AMG are coming to an end. I can smell the finish line, and it's honestly kind of sad, but we're gonna get a lot of videos in on this car, maybe some races with the RS3, some races with another build that I just got, and just a lot more content. You guys will definitely be seeing this car on the channel, and I just want to give a shout out to everyone that's supported, that's watched the videos, that's pressed that like button, and I don't know, I'm just very, very thankful and grateful for everything in general, for all the support that I've been getting on the channel in general. We're at 217,000 subscribers. That is just mind-blowing. We do have multiple more builds at home that have not been revealed just yet, so I want you guys to stay tuned for that. And I guess we're gonna go ahead and fly through this paint section of the video. Why? Because we already got the car prepped out. The whole entire car is prepped out. All the Scotch brighting, all the blocking, all the wet sanding, all that stuff is done. Everything else that needs to be done is basically masked off, take the door off, and start laying down sealer and some color. So I'll catch you guys at the paint shop. Well guys, not much talking scenes in this paint just because we got everything prepped out in the previous episodes, but let's go over the paint real quickly just as it sits right now. It's literally just cured up. Right here we have the door. Our bodywork here on the door looks all perfect, which I'll get out in detail further on in this episode when we get it kind of pieced together and on the car. So all this stuff looks nice and neat. Everything here is painted in. We went ahead and went the extra mile, painted the jam as well because we had some paint peeling over here. The bodywork honestly looks really darn good. The actual paintwork itself, everything's came together. It's got this like OEM orange peel look. Yes, there is a little bit of orange peel from factory. Even this trunk you can see. Come over here, look at this trunk. So this trunk hasn't been painted before and you can clearly see that there's orange peel on this trunk. A professional painter will definitely match the orange peel. That's the way you know quality of a paint job. Everything here is painted in. It's looking nice and pretty. Got this whole dog leg or upper quarter panel, I don't know what you want to call it, painted. Rocker panel here is painted as well. And then all the plastics from the bumper is painted over here. We got the bumpers painted already at home, so we're gonna go ahead and start assembling them in the next episode. But let's go ahead and get this car kind of assembled and see you guys in the morning when we get some nice light outside, and we'll show you guys in general what the car looks like in one color, one piece, and that bodywork looks really darn good. I am shocked and I'm very happy. Let's get this thing assembled. It is the next morning here and we are so pumped, just out of our minds, because the car is finally one color. Unfortunately, it is raining. I can't get you guys the best lighting and the best, just kind of show you guys the reflection, all the bodywork, which I will definitely do in one of the later episodes or a final episode. I will go through everything, make sure that you guys see everything. Let's go, come take a look real quickly what everything's got painted. So the door got painted inside out. The inside of the door I painted at home. We cut it in. This whole rocker panel over here got painted because we replaced that sill. Everything's looking pretty. The door, boom, closes how it should. This gap right here, take a look at this painted. Man, it looks amazing. Whew, this is crazy. This is crazy looking at all this and knowing that all the work we put into this car, all the hours that we're just sitting and blocking to make this thing perfect and OEM. What else got painted? We got a bunch of stuff on the bumper that got painted. I'll show you guys the bumpers as well. We did not put the taillight in just yet. I did not want to scratch any of this stuff. So once the paint completely cures, I'm gonna go ahead and put that in. Here's the box. The box is a little bit wavy. Why? Because literally all of this is just stretched metal. I made it look as decent as I could. I'm not gonna sit here and take hours on hours to make this box look perfect because I really won't be able to at the end of the day. It looks really, really good how it is right now. Another thing is, do you have the key on you so you can pop the trunk? Go ahead and pop the trunk. I want to show you guys that we painted everything inside here because it was primed through, and then that's what it's looking like now. Nice and glossy. Everything here, man, I don't know, dude. And the bodywork actually turned out amazing. Like, you can't really tell right now because it's got like this kind of sprinkle on it. But dude, it looks flat, it looks straight. This body line is where it needs to be. This bottom section, man, this is a tough quarter panel. I know it might look easy on videos, but you guys gotta factor in the fact that, look at this, we got one edge this way, and then it moves, like it molds from here to this way and up and over, and then this one like meets this body line, and then it gets flat over here near the taillight pocket, and then it goes out because the quarter panel. Oh my goodness, it was an absolute nightmare. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bumpers and some of the black trim pieces we painted inside. So I apologize once again, the weather, it's literally killing everything, but here are the bumpers. We got the rear bumper painted. This side was all good. Our repair area was on this side of the bumper, which is looking all nice and neat now. Actually, on this side here, it has this crazy fold right here on the bottom of this bumper right here. We had a crazy fold, if you guys remember, and it's nice and flat, perfectly even. Can't tell that there was anything there. The front bumper didn't have any damage, although we did fill in these sensor holes, and then I just went ahead and wet sanded them to make them look perfect, which I still have not polished them out. but the sensor holes are filled in. All the repair work on the front bumper is done. And now let's head on inside and show you guys the final black pieces, because there was a bunch of black pieces that got painted. And now, so here are the last couple of pieces that were painted. Part of the rear bumper, part of the rear bumper, and then this is the front lip that we were talking about that literally comes together, costing nearly $1,000. We repaired this edge over here. You can't tell anything. It's looking all OEM. And then this edge here was repaired as well. It looks beautiful. It fits up to this front lip. This is a new piece that we bought, which was $400. And then here is the rear diffuser, the final piece that was painted. And that is it about for all the paintwork. I appreciate you guys for tuning in and watching this episode. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. We're gonna start assembling this beast, start polishing it up, start taking it to alignment, doing all the final touches, and making it a complete car. Peace out.